Ever wondered whether you should go with Windows 11 Home or Windows 11 Pro when setting up your PC? In this video, we'll break down the key differences between the two editions, who each version is really for, and whether the extra cost of Pro makes sense for you. Let's start with what both versions share. Whether Home or Pro, you get the same base operating system, the new Windows 11 interface with its centered taskbar, rounded corners, snap layouts, widgets, and modern features. The minimum hardware requirements are also the same: a compatible 64-bit processor, TPM 2.0, secure boot, at least 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. So if you use your PC for gaming, browsing, productivity, or everyday tasks, you'll get essentially the same experience with Home as you would with Pro. But where the differences come in is in the advanced features and hardware limits. For example, Windows 11 Pro includes features like BitLocker full drive encryption, Windows information protection for data loss prevention, the ability to join domains or Azure AD, remote desktop hosting, and built-in virtualization tools like Hyper-V and Windows Sandbox. On the hardware side, Home supports up to one CPU socket, a maximum of 64 cores and 128 GB RAM, whereas Pro supports 2 CPU sockets, up to 128 cores, and up to 2 TB RAM. So, is the upgrade to Pro worth it? It depends entirely on your use case. If you're an everyday user, you game, you stream, you work on Office documents, you browse the web, then Windows 11 Home is likely more than sufficient. Unless you need the specific business or power user features, Home will serve you just fine. On the other hand, if you're a power user, developer, IT admin, you use virtual machines, you manage multiple devices, you care about enterprise-class security, then Pro starts to make sense. Price is another factor. Home typically retails at around US $139, and Pro at around US $199. Also worth noting, upgrading from Home to Pro later costs extra. So if you might need Pro features, some advise just getting Pro up front. In summary, go with Windows 11 Home if you want a solid, modern OS with full everyday functionality and don't need the advanced features. Choose Windows 11 Pro if you know you'll use those extra capabilities: encryption, virtualization, remote access, business management. Ask yourself, do I actually need these features, or would the money be better spent elsewhere? With that answer, you'll know if Pro is worth it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss other tech breakdowns and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.